Hey there guys, Chris here, and in this video I'm going to be comparing Pipedrive versus Salesforce. We'll explore the key differences between these two platforms and help you decide which CRM is the right solution for you. And by the way, if you'd like to sign up for either Salesforce or Pipedrive, make sure to use my links down in the description. With Pipedrive, you'll get a 30-day free trial with all the features for free using my link, compared to the 14-day free trial without it. So click the link in the description to try Pipedrive free for 30 days. And with that in mind, let's get started. Pipedrive and Salesforce offer a range of features to help businesses manage their sales process, track leads, and build customer relationships. However, there are some notable differences between these two platforms. One of the most obvious differences between Pipedrive and Salesforce is their user interface. Pipedrive has a clean, intuitive interface that's easy to navigate and use, making it a popular choice for smaller businesses or those newer to a CRM software. On the other hand, Salesforce has a more complex UI with many features and customization options, making it suitable for larger businesses with more advanced needs. Both Pipedrive and Salesforce offer powerful pipeline management features, allowing businesses to track their sales process from start to finish. However, the approach to pipeline management is different in these two platforms. Pipedrive uses a visual pipeline view that allows users to easily drag and drop deals into different stages, making it simple to track progress and spot any bottlenecks. Salesforce, on the other hand, offers a more traditional list view of pipelines, which may be overwhelming for some users, but offers more detailed information. Effective reporting and analytics are crucial for businesses to track their sales performance and make data-driven decisions. Pipedrive offers a variety of pre-built reports, making it easy for users to get insights into their sales activities. Additionally, Pipedrive's reporting capability can be further enhanced with integrations such as Google Data Studio. Salesforce, on the other hand, offers advanced reporting and analytics capabilities, allowing businesses to create custom reports and dashboards tailored to their specific needs. However, this comes with a steeper learning curve and may require specialized training for users to fully utilize the platform's capabilities. Email integration is a key feature for any CRM software, and it allows businesses to easily track and manage communication within customers. Pipedrive offers seamless integration with popular email services such as Gmail and Outlook, making it simple to track email conversations and attach emails to deals. Salesforce also offers robust email integration, but it may require some technical expertise to set up and customize the integration according to the business's needs. In addition, both Pipedrive and Salesforce offer features for sales management. Pipedrive offers a unique feature called the Sales Assistant, which provides personalized recommendations to help users prioritize their sales activities. Salesforce, on the other hand, offers a more comprehensive set of tools for sales forecasting, territory management, and team collaboration. This makes it better for a larger business with complex sales processes. Another key factor to consider when choosing a CRM platform is automation and customization capabilities. Pipedrive offers basic automation features such as automated email sequences and follow-up reminders, but it may not be suitable for businesses with more advanced automation needs. Salesforce, on the other hand, offers robust automation capabilities through its workflow rules feature that allows users to automate tasks based on specific triggers and conditions. Additionally, Salesforce provides extensive customization options, including the ability to create custom fields, objects, and workflows. Finally, it's worth noting that Pipedrive and Salesforce offer mobile apps for on-the-go access to CRM data. Pipedrive's mobile app has a user-friendly interface that allows users to access key features such as deal tracking and contact management. Salesforce also offers a comprehensive mobile app with advanced capabilities such as voice recognition and offline access to data. However, the app may be more complex and a little more difficult to navigate for new users. Hey, quick interruption. Are you searching for the most efficient way to manage your business, life, or finances? Well, I'm excited to share a valuable resource with all of you. I've developed top-notch templates that streamline your business operations, enhance your personal organization, and optimize your financial management. Click the link down in the description of the video and check it out. All right, back to the video. When it comes to choosing a CRM, pricing is a significant factor for businesses. Pipedrive's pricing structure is designed to accommodate the diverse needs of businesses, ranging from small startups to large enterprises. They have an essential plan for the basic CRM functions at $14 per user per month. The advanced plan offers more capabilities at $29 per user per month, and the professional plan is for more extensive needs at $49 per user per month. The power plan is for companies needing robust features at $64 per month per user, and lastly, for large organizations or those needing enterprise-level services, there's the enterprise plan at $99 per month per user. To alleviate the burden of commitment, all of Pipedrive's plans comes with a 14-day free trial that is accessible without the need for a credit card. And by using my link in the description, the 14-day free trial will extend to a 30-day free trial, allowing potential customers to test and evaluate the full spectrum of features available on the platform. On the other hand, Salesforce offers a variety of pricing options that can adapt to the size and complexity of any business. They have a basic plan called Starter, which costs $25 per user per month and is suitable for small businesses starting with a CRM. The professional plan costs $80 per user per month and is designed for growing businesses with a lot more needs. For larger businesses, there is the Enterprise plan, which costs $165 per user per month and provides extensive features and customization options. The high-end unlimited plan costs $330 per user per month and offers advanced features and support. Finally, there's the Unlimited Plus plan, priced at $500 per user per month, which is designed for large enterprises needing the highest level of service and customization. Pipedrive is generally more affordable, while Salesforce tends to be a little more expensive, especially with their higher tier plans. The choices between the two would depend on the specific requirements and budget of the business. When running a business, having reliable customer support is crucial, especially when implementing a new CRM system. Pipedrive offers email and chat support during business hours for all of its plans, while phone support is only available for higher tier plans. Salesforce has a more comprehensive customer support system with multiple channels available, including phone, email, live chat, and an extensive knowledge base. However, this level of support may come with a higher price tag for businesses on a lower tier plan, so choosing between Pipedrive and Salesforce CRM ultimately depends on the specific needs of a budget of a business. Both platforms have their strengths and weaknesses, but overall they are both reputable CRM solutions that can improve sales processes and drive business growth. For small businesses with simpler sales processes, Pipedrive's user-friendly interface and affordable pricing may be the better option. But on the other hand, large businesses with more complex needs may benefit from Salesforce's extensive features and customization options. Ultimately, it is important to thoroughly assess a business's requirements and carefully compare different CRM options before making a decision. So it's recommended to choose the one that aligns the best with your business's goals and offer the necessary tools and support to help you achieve success. Whichever you choose, you can be sure that you have a powerful tool at your disposal to help drive growth and success for your business. And don't forget that if you would like to sign up for either Salesforce or Pipedrive, you can use my links down in the description of this video. And that is it. Thank you for watching and take care.